I'm Eva from KitPlus, and we've been at NAB in Las Vegas for the last 4 days, and here are our highlights.
IP25R, it's super exciting product, kind of goes in line with our whole philosophy of making some of these transitions to newer technologies easier.
We're looking at an SDM card. It's an ST2110 SDM card. At Apentec, we have 11 different SDM cards.
Here you're seeing Caller One, which is a well-known product. This is our sort of junior talk show model, 3-line, 6-line, 12-line.
Well, our big message this year actually is about helping our customers move through the transition that we're all seeing in the industry of creating more content.
Yeah, so we just launched this yesterday, shipping at the end of May. It's FreeSpeak Cell, so we're adding to our FreeSpeak line of wireless intercom.
Dual port 25 gig cards in a very compact, low profile form factors and also very power efficient.
The main thing that we're hearing as we're coming into the NAB show is that customers want to talk about solutions. What they want to do is understand how the technology Imagine has are going to help them with real problems that they have in their business today.
This product we call Media Hub because we want it to be like a kind of centralized information hub.
So Steve, we're looking at the LT4670 here.
So we've got the new feature in it called Sync-Align.
So this is the second model in Madril's second generation of ProConvert decoders.
Absolutely. Marshall has 4 new products out, 2 are minis and 2 are compact cameras.
So the Crescendo is our latest in our audio monitor lineup.
These are our new red high visibility cameras up here that we are showing off. These were designed with industrial manufacturing in mind.
Brand new on-set monitor. This is the brand new version. It's not an upgrade, it's completely rebuilt.
There's this new bezel that's 55, which is a fully loaded calibrated monitor. It's just very thin.
We're introducing Suite 7. Suite 7 is the newest version of our flagship product, Infinity Set, and also Aston and Edison.
One of the big updates we can talk about today is the addition of the closed captions encoder into our Synergy subtitling service.
Yeah, we're looking at Giro's latest family of Gateway and Titan routers. I know you guys are using a Gateway today, so this is our portable Gateway and video encoder in one.
Dart 22M. So this is a 2-input, 2-output audio interface.
So this router debuted last year at NAB, actually won Product of the Year for NAB. What we're debuting now is a new iteration of operating system for the router.
So like you mentioned, hopefully this will be the last charger you will ever need.
Open media platform is really a response to the problem of scale.
All right, the Pegasus 5 R12 is the latest step in the evolution of the Pegasus product line.
There is some news on dashboard. That's something that we're showing at the show here, something that we're calling RPM.
So this is a brand new product. It's a video switcher, but it's tailor-made for PTZ production.
We are introducing our latest addition to our professional line of open gear encoders and decoders, the Diamond IP.
You know, we've been about software even since we started 22 years ago, because everything else, the hardware was just a platform for the software.
Roscoe View uses polarization and essentially 2 filters. One is on the camera and one is on the window.
Yes, you are in our new flagship truck. This is HyperMax 1. We teamed up with Calrec to put this Argo S in.
So basically we got everything we ever learned about signal processing and put it in this one Rocky unit.
Hope you enjoyed it. For everything that KitPlus does, head over to kitplus.com and see you at IBC in Amsterdam.